So, how do you use Pollo AI in 2025? So, to start off, let's search for Pollo AI. Now, click on this link. Now, here you can do image to video, text to video, or AI image generator. Now, for this video, we're just going to go for AI image generator. Now, click on that. Now, here you just need to type any prompt that you like. So, let's say Master of Kung Fu. And we just need to do only one for that one because this is just an example. Now, if you do create one, you need to sign up for Pollo AI. And to do that, you need to put an email address or a Google account. Now, for this one, I'll just be using my Google account. So, for this example, we need to generate this one. And as you can see, generates the one we put on the prompt, and there we have it. As you can see, it does work. And that's basically how you use Pollo AI to create images from text. Now for the other ones, it's the same as how you do it. You just need to click to upload an image, and you just need to click on the prompt and create. But you do need a required amount of credits, and you need credits. So credits can only be earned from dailies and by paying. Now there's also text to video where you could actually input a prompt and AI will do the video for you. So that's basically how you use Pollo AI. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos.